Okay, welcome back everyone. It's Christy Wheelis with Wheelis Realty in Gulf Shores, and today we are checking out my listing at Sunset Bay Villas 1. It is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, but first we're going to take a look at the common area. Come along with me. So this condo complex is located on Plash Island, which is a little west of the Intracoastal Waterway Bridge. It is a gated community, which is a huge plus in my opinion. And this complex sits along the Intracoastal Waterway, almost at the mouth of Mobile Bay. So it's a little secluded from all the hustle and bustle, which I think is amazing. So this condo has an open lot, but it also has covered parking, which is reserved for owners only. So if it's raining or if it's super hot, owners can park underneath there. Looks like someone's getting some furniture or moving in today. This complex has got a barbecue area here, which I absolutely love because it's shaded. Most of the condo complexes are just in the parking lot and you're just sitting out in the hot sun. The complex has 2 stairwells, one on the east end and one on the west end. And there are a few dedicated storage lockers for owners. My unit, which is unit 705, does have its own storage locker, which is great because you can literally just store everything downstairs and you don't have to haul everything up. I think that is a huge added bonus. So let me show you guys that. Nice green space for your pet walk. Owners are allowed to have pets here. So these are the storage lockers that I was referencing. I think it's just a great added bonus for sure. So this condo complex does have a pool that is also along the Intracoastal Waterway. And then they have an additional marina and pool and hot tub at the other location that I'm going to show you guys today. So this is your outdoor pool. Sits along the water. Nicely maintained. Got some great seating, great views. You do have on-site mailbox here, so if you do want to live here full time, you can get your mail delivered here. Got another little secret sitting area. Show you guys. So I've got a little nice little swing kind of over to the west of the pool that just overlooks the water. So peaceful. All right. And also located down here, you've got some bathrooms, so you don't all have to go all the way up to the room if you're trying to enjoy the pool. They do have a bathroom right here by the elevator, so you can use that. They do have carts on site, so you're not having to lug everything up by hand. You got your carts, and then you've got your elevator. So let's go check out the unit. Okay, so once you come off the elevator, we are on the far west corner of the building. Staircase is located right next door, so that is super convenient if you just want to take the stairs. Okay, so one of the things that I love most that the developers did here is they dropped all of the outlets and the switches so that they are ADA compliant. So you'll see that throughout the condo here. But in the kitchen, you've got granite countertops, you've got stainless steel appliances. One of the rare things that this condo has is a gas range, which I think is amazing. You don't see that much in the condos anymore. So you've got an oven, you've got a microwave, you've got a refrigerator, you've got some great cabinetry here, which is awesome. Really nice cabinets. Got a little built-in pantry here as well. Got your refrigerator with an ice maker, dishwasher. I love all of these doors here. Tall ceilings, tall doors, love the color of these. This is your laundry room, which also has built-in cabinets as well. Comes with a washer and dryer, those are staying. You've got towel throughout the living and kitchen area, and then you also have carpet in the bedrooms. We're gonna check out the guest bathroom first. So it's got a nice tiled walk-in shower. You've got a nice vanity here, nice cabinetry here. I love the track lighting in these condos. Just gives it a little bit of character that you don't see very often. First guest bedroom. You actually even have a little bit of a view from this room of the Intracoastal Waterway. It's kind of neat. Great big closet here. This is your second guest bedroom. Same thing, have a sliver of a view there. We do have carpet in the bedrooms that was recently cleaned. Nice little closet here. And then this is your second bathroom. So it's kind of an ensuite here. Tub shower combination, nice countertop. You've even got some additional cabinets here, which is great. So there's not a linen closet, but you do have this here so that you can store all your linens. Got a great coat closet here. Just a little corner closet. So in the living area, you've got track lighting, you've got tile flooring in here. You've also got this great gas fireplace, which is, again, very unusual to see in condos, but it's very well thought out. This is your HVAC closet here, which is just right off the living area. So you can access the balcony from the living room, but you can also access it from the primary bedroom as well. Let's see. So this is the view. Again, this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath condo along the Intracoastal Waterway. And this balcony wraps all the way around. Got a nice storage closet on the balcony as well. So we mentioned the ones downstairs. So plenty of room to put things for storage. Okay, this is our primary bedroom. Again, you've got access to the balcony from this bedroom, and you also have a direct view out the window, the waterway. Okay. We have a closet here. And I absolutely love the bathroom in here. Lots of great storage for your linens. You've got drawers, you've got extra cabinets. You have double vanity here. You have a jetted tub as well as a walk-in shower. The toilet is separate from the rest of the bathroom, and then you have this an additional walk-in closet. So, absolutely love what they did in these condos. It's a great storage. Give you guys another look of the living room. I would say this bar, I mean, I think you could probably fit 4 or 5 bar stools here comfortably. And that is it. This is 705. Okay, so now we're gonna check out the clubhouse and the secondary pool and the hot tub here. This is also where the marina is located. So this part of the association does require a little bit of a car ride or a bike ride. It's not really walkable. You can kind of see the building there in the distance. This is Island Villas 2, and then you've got the marina and you've got a subdivision that's also a part of this association. So all 3 properties really share these amenities, and then each property does have, you know, the one pool over on the other side. don't think we'll be able to get in the clubhouse today, so we do not have the fob. But this can be reserved if you've got parties or if you've got get-togethers. You can reserve this. And then the marina, as far as the marina goes and the boat slips, not all units and houses have their own boat slip. Those are going to be separate deeded boat slips for each property. There is a couple of first come, first served boat slips for the properties that do not have a deeded one, but this is your marina, which also leads to the Intracoastal Waterway. Let's zoom in. And if you wanted to reserve the first come, first serve, you would need to get a hold of the association, which is currently Waves Association Management. And like I said, these homes are also part of the association. This is Sunset Bay, and then you've got the two villa buildings. So you can see the building there in the distance. Actually got a barge coming through here. So yeah, these are great amenities if you're a fisher. You like to just leisure on your boat. Great opportunity.